Hey guys, it's Jelly AJ here, and I'm just chilling at my buddy's den. Dweebz AJ, go subscribe to him. But anyways, sorry if you can hear my dog like squeaking in the background. We just had food, so she wants some food, which is understandable. But anyways, I'm sorry I've been like, really inactive. I guess some stuff just happened and I couldn't be bothered, but I kind of moved on. And I want to start again, I guess, so sorry again. So I'm gonna do some shoutouts, I guess. So shout out to dweebz AJ. LPS Carly loves her because she's just a fabulous lemon. And aleksgirl because she's my bae. So yeah. Okay.